first, let's take the setup that we use in EFT, which is even though I have this issue, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Now, if you see the word accept, um, that word is not used in a lot of native languages. This is primarily used in English. Of course, it's an English word, accept. But if you see it in the light of the Asian languages, for example, my native language is Hindi, and I accept myself is something that cannot be translated in Hindi. So it's really difficult to translate that because there's no concept of accepting yourself in my language. And in many other languages, there's also no concept of loving myself in my language. The word love is mostly used in relation to someone else. Used in relation to the other. It's not used in relation to oneself. So simple words like love and accept, when they're used in a setup statement, can create problems. So client can have difficulty in accepting themselves, of course, also because of self-esteem issues or issues related to self-image, the trauma that they've had. But they also have difficulty in accepting themselves because it's a very new concept for them, and they cannot say I love and accept myself. In these situations, you need to modify the setup statement and use certain words and phrases that resonate with the client. So, for example, you can say, even though I have this issue, I would like to take care of myself. Now, that's something which a lot of people will be okay saying, or I want to feel better. So, you can use the religious beliefs that clients have, and you can customize the setup statement according to that. So, even though I have this issue, I would like God to help me, and so on and so forth. That can really be helpful rather than just saying I love and accept myself, something that the client is not comfortable with. There are lots of other ways of rephrasing in EFT and reframing, of course. So, if a client has certain cultural beliefs, for example, people who come from Asian countries, there is a lot of importance given to familial attachments. The family is very important, and how the person is perceived in the family is very important. So, the family is more important than their perception of themselves. So you can use phrases that utilizes this concept. So, for example, even though I have this issue, and I'm really bothered by how people see me in my family, I would like to have a more positive image in my family. I would like to do something to have a more positive image in my family. Now, here you see that we've used a reframe that incorporates a family in the picture. So according to that, you can rephrase, you can reframe the statements, and that can really help the client.